नमस्ते बिटिया, सदा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself Dr. Balraj Singh, Department of Bureaucracy, Faculty of IB, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Today we discuss about Lodra. Lodra, it is very important drug in Ayurveda. Its botanical name is Symplochus racemosa and the family is Symplocaceae. Botanical name is Symplochus racemosa and family name is Symplochus racemosa. Symplocaceae. लोद्र कुल कहते हैं अपन इसको लोद्र कुल. चरक mentions in शोणित स्थापन महाकषाय, संधानीय महाकषाय, पुरी संग्रहणीय महाकषाय एंड कषाय स्थान. लोद्र को चरक ने शोणित स्थापन, संधानीय और पुरुष संग्रहणीय महाकषाय के अंतर्गत रखा है और कषाय स्कंद के अंदर रखा है. And Shushrup mentions लोद्रादिगण and न्योगोदादिगण. सुश्रुत ने लोद्रादिगण और न्योगोदादिगण इसमें लोद्र को रखा है. हिंदी में अपन इसको लोद या लोद्र कहते हैं और इसके पर्याय और जो सिनोनिम्स हैं उनका अर्थ क्या है ये देखते हैं. लोद्र इसका क्या अर्थ होता है? दैट विच कॉजेज मलबद्ध और मलावरोधक एंड रिलीव कफ पित्त एंड रक्तद्रोह. दिस इज कॉल्ड lodra. Tilva, a name given to lodra, but the action differ according to charak. Pirit, the inflorescence golden color or that which relieves the diseases, that is called pirit. Shower, the bark is yellowish grey, and galau, the bark is used in dyeing in industry. Rodra, and has got healing property and stambhan action. Ghantvak, स्थूलवल्कल बृहत्त्वक, the bark is thick. The bark is thick. Shatpraka, found abundantly in hilly region. And tilak, a tree having beautiful flowers, so it is tilak. Billi ya biltaru, it is well known to the tribal people known as Bhila. Lodra, though, two varieties of Lodra are mentioned. First is Lodra, second is Pattika Lodra. Lodra Tirit. Lodra is used to relieve many diseases, so it is called Lodra Tirit. Pattika hai, a variety of Lodra which is having strips. Akshi Bhesaj, useful in eye diseases, so it is called Akshi Bhesaj. Hem Pushp, the flowers are yellow in color. Shwet Rodra, white variety of Lodra which is useful in wound healing. Jeen Budn, used in digestive disorders, so it is called Jeen Budn. Marjan, purified Rakta. Main features: a small tree growing in hilly regions with beautiful yellow flowers. It has got thick bark, which the useful part. It is useful in eye diseases, has got a stambhan action and wound healing property. It is useful in many diseases. The plant is well known to the tribal people called Bila. Ved varieties. According to Bhav Prakash, two varieties have been mentioned as Lodra and Pattika Lodra. He has given different synonyms but mentioned the same properties. According to Bhav Prakash, two varieties have been mentioned as Lodra and Pattika Lodra. He has given different synonyms but mentioned the same properties for both the varieties. In practices, another variety of Lodra is obtained which is known as Pathani Lodra. It is botanically identified as Symplochus keratogoides. This is commonly found in Himalayan region. The properties are similar to Lodra. Charak has mentioned in Kalpstan. Tilvak, which is synonym of Lodr, but here the action mentioned by Charak is Vilechak. Therefore, it cannot be identified as Lodr. Because of its Vilechak action, a final discussion has not yet taken in this regard. Habit Uzbekistan, Assam, Nagpur and northeastern India. Habit Swarup, a smaller evergreen tree with stem up to 6 meter height and 15 centimeter diameter. Bark dark grey or rough grey 7.5 to 13 mm, shortly fibrous, pale yellow, finely mottled with pale organ brown. Leaves 9 to 18 by 3.25 centimeter. Elliptic, oblong or elliptic lanceolate. Apex acute, obtusely acuminate or obtuse. Cerulate, obscurely cratinate or rarely entire. Base acute, cunate. Coriaceous glabrous above pubescent bannate when young but ultimately glabrous or with scattered spreading hairs, mainly on the midrib, glossy on both surface, dark green above lateral nerves, indistinct and 5 to 9 pair, petioles 7.5 to 18 mm long, flowers 1 to 1.3 centimeter diameter, white fading yellow in simple axillary pubescent racemose 1.3 to 9 centimeter long, brackets ovate, tomentose, calyx glabrous, pedicels 1.3 to 5 mm long, drupe 1 to 1.3 centimeter long, oblong glabrous purplish black crown with persistent calyx. उपयुक्त अंग पार्ट यूज त्वक then properties रस कषाय वीर्य शीत गुण लघु वृक्ष and विपाक is कटु दोष कर्मता कफपित शामक फार्माकोलॉजिकल एक्शंस ग्राही नेत्र रोग हर रक्त पित्त हर रक्त विकारनोत ज्वरग्न शोथ हर स्तंभन गर्भाशय शोथ हर कुष्ठग्न व्रणरोपण that all are the pharmacological actions of Lodra. Therapeutic uses in uh, Raktastrav, Lodra Churan is applied. It acts as sthamban or hemostatic. In Swet and Rakta Pradal, Lodra should be given with Nyagodra Tokpad internally. In Yoni Shat is paste is prepared with Lodra and applied externally. In this disorder of eyelid, uh, Navneet should be applied. Over its paste of white lodr should be applied. In conjunctivitis, lodr and madhuk fried in breath and fine powder is made. It is softened with breast milk and kept in a cloth. Its application elevates conjunctivitis caused by pith and rust. In Kust and Brun, Lodr is used externally and internally. Powder of Dhaki and Lodr promotes wound healing. In Kust, a paste is prepared with Lodr, Dhaki in Dravya, Karanj and Jati and applied externally. In Atisar, Pravahika, it is given with the pulp of bill, bark of Kukilu. Lodra also can be given in this condition with Yastimadu. Bark of Dadim and Jatifala in pregnant women during 8 months by taking Lodra, Pipli and Madhu with milk the fetal movement becomes normal. Lodrasav is a popular preparation used in the gynecological diseases. Dose Churn 3 to 5 grams and Quat 50 to 100 ml. Aushadhyog formulations Lodrasav, Lodra Diquat, Kushan Upchuran, Brat Gangadhar Churan. It is all about Lodra, chemical constituents, alkaloids, loturine and cololuterine, red coloring matter, substitute and adulteration, stem bark of Symplochus, categoids and are used as substitutes. The former procured from northwest Himalaya has whitish outer surface with longitudinal fissure, while Symplochus spicata is earthy or ash-brown in color and has a glandular ring. The latter is used as substitute in Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Then Bhavaprakash Nikantu says Lodra, Tilvak, Tiltascha, शाबरो गालस तथा द्वितीयक पट्टी का लोध्र प्रमुख स्थूल वल्कल है जीर्ण पत्रो बृहत पत्र पट्टी लाक्षा प्रसाद में लोध्रोग्राही लघु शीतस्य चक्षुष्य कफपित्त कषायु रक्त पित्त एस रक्त जौया तिसार शोथ रक्त भाव प्रकाश निघंटु. That's all about Lodh. And now next we will discuss about Saptapan. Saptapan Alstonia scholaris and family is Apocynaceae. Family is Apocynaceae, Kul, Kutas Kul, Apocynaceae. Family Charak mentions Saptapan in Tikskand and Kashai Skand. Kustagna Mahakashai, Udard Prashman Mahakashai and Sirovirichandra. Sushruta mentions औरंगाबादी गण लाक्षादी गण एंड अधोभागर गण शब्द है. हिंदी में अपन इसको चतीवन या सतीवन ऐसे बोल देते हैं. पर्याय और उसके अर्थ में सप्तपर्ण जनरली 7 leaves arranged in whorls, so it is called सप्तपर्ण. विशाल त्वक, the bark are very thick. Sharad signifies the name of goddess of of learning and also as the flowers begin autumn Sharad Visham Vishamas-chad. The plants provide a potent drug for Vishamjwar and also means the leaves are in odd number. Guch Pushpak flowers occurs in clusters. Saptah hai, having 7 leaves arranged in whorls. Chhatraparn, the whole arrangement of leaves look like an umbrella. Shuktiparn, the shape of leaves like oyster shell. Shalmali Patrak, petioles are like the Shalmali Patrak. Madhgandh, the flowers have intense odor. Grahanashan, relieves grahas or bad omen. Shiroruk, the smell of the flower causes headache. Main features, if we talk about main features, a tree generally with 7 leaves arranged in whorls. Bark is thick, large and leaf arranged in whorls. Flowers appears in autumn in cluster with intense odor. It is useful drug in Vishamjwar and Grahas. Habitat Utpatti Stan throughout India, common in Bengal, Assam, Western and South India. Habit Swaroop, a tall tree, 12 to 18 meter, under favorable circumstances reaching 27 meters. High with bitter milky juice, glabrous except the inflorescence, bark grey, rough branches whorled, young branchlets copiously lenticellate, leaves 4 to 7, rarely more, coriaceous 10 to 20 by 3.8 to 6.3 centimeter oblong, lanceolate and obovate, obtuse or sometimes shortly and bluntly acuminate, dark green, above pale and covered with a whitish bloom beneath, base tapering, main nerve numerous nearly horizontal, parallel uniting in a intramarginal nerve, petiole 6 to 13 mm long, flowers greenish white, in umbilically branched many flowers, pubescent, capitate cymes, peduncles 2.5 to 5 centimeter long, pedicels very short, brackets oblong pubescent, calyx 2.5 to 3 mm long, pubescent lobes 2 mm long, oblong, obtuse, ciliated, corolla tube 8 mm long, villous inside, the mouth with a ring hair, lobes 5 mm long, lunate, oblong, rounded or subtruncate at the apex, pubescent disc, carpal pubescent, follicles 30 to 60 centimeter long by 3 mm diameter, cylindric, pedicellus in cluster, becoming completely everted after dehiscence, 6 mm long, linear, oblong, flattened, rounded and with fringe of hair at both ends, the hair longer than the seeds. Upyuktam, twak, push and sheath. Twak, push and sheath. That's the properties. रस तिक्त कषाय वीर्य उष्ण गुण लघु स्निग्ध वीर्य विपाक कटु दोष कांता त्रिदोषग्नि मेनली कफ वात शामक रोगग्न कर्म फार्मिकोलॉजिकल एक्शन अग्निदीपक व्रणरोपण कफग्न वातानुलोमन कुष्ठग्न रक्त विकार हर जंतुघ्न and Swasagna, Gulmagna, Jwaragna, Visham Jwarnashan, Atisar Har and Pravahita Har. Amrik Prayog therapeutic uses. It is useful in Jwar. In Visham Jwar it does not have much effect. Trifladi Ghrut where in Saptapan is an ingredient is useful in Jwar. In Atisar and Pravahika, Twakpat is given for Zandra Meh, the quart of Saptapan is the specific remedy. After delivery, Saptapan is given with Sugandh Dravya will increases the breast milk and protect the woman from fever. Quat prepared with Saptapan, Guduchi and mixed with Shunti is used for purification of breast milk. In Kusk, the quat of Saptapan is used for snan internally and as a paste externally. If it is processed with tail and graph, it becomes very efficacious in Kusk. The shear of Saptapan is also applied externally. In skin diseases, the Saptapan push is mixed with Pipli and Madhu. It is useful in swans caused by cuff and paste. In chronic ulcer, the paste is Saptapan is applied. Matra Twak Churn 4 to 8 grams, Twak Quat 50 to 100 ml. औषध योग formulations, आरक बदादी क्वाथ चूर्ण, अमृता रिस्ट, वज्रक तेल and सप्त छदादी तेल and सप्तपर्ण Sattwadi Chemical constituents alkaloids, ethichamine, ditamine, and acetamidamine. Substitute and adulterations. Bark obtained from the main trunk or thick branches characterized by flat or slightly curved shape and a very rough fissured surface is more frequently sold in the trade. It is considered inferior to that from younger branches. भावप्रकाश निघंटु says सप्तपर्णो विशाल त्वक शार्दो विषम छद सप्तपर्णो वर्ण श्लेष्म वार्पुशास्त्र जंतुजित दीपण स्वाद गुलमग्न स्निग्धो उष्ण चोरस रहत. This is all about Saptaparn. And Lodh we discussed today the two topics Lodh and Saptaparn. Both are important. You should remember all the topics, name, botanical name, family, pryai, synonyms, and pharmacological actions, properties, therapeutic uses, and dosage, formulations, all about. So today's session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur Rajasthan. I hope you all are satisfied with this sessions. If you have any query and any complaint with this sessions, then can mention in comment box. I will resolve it soon. Thank you.